Hello. It's no oras na? What time is it? It's 3:20 in the morning. Hindi ako nakapanood ng live stream ng Binibining Pilipinas kasi nasa labas ako kanina. And now that I'm home, then I think it's time para mapanood yung Binibining Pilipinas. At least yung production number man lang. A lot of mentioned, ang daming magagandang feedback regarding sa production number for some reason. And you know naman, no, for the longest time, I think for the past couple of years, yung suggestion or feedback talaga for Binibining Pilipinas is yung lighting, yung stage, yung production number. Those are the things na paulit-ulit na minimension or paulit-ulit na binabash na lang every year. So hopefully this is a good production number and let's go and let's watch it.
The 2026 Binibining Pilipinas Coronation Night. Here are the 35
35, wow.
2026.
Mas konti ito Usually, yung binibini is like around 40 or 50 candidates, but this time 35. Wow. The stage, totoo ang chismis. Ang ganda ng stage. Ang ganda ng LED, ang ganda ng lighting. And then the hat, it reminds me of Gaba Shano's gown or national costume, I think, nung time niya. But it's so pink. It's so hot pink. Oh wow, some of the other candidates are coming out. Tala. It's a grand Tala day here in Binibining Pilipinas 2026. In fairness, mukhang marami sa mga candidates this year yung dancers, kaya nakakasabay sila. And you have to take note na hindi din ganun ka-easy yung mga steps or yung choreography. Oh wow, Baguio. Ang ganda ni... What's her name? Gwendolyn? I think so. She's Baguio, right? Kasi kilala ko siya because she was one of the candidates before sa MUPH. I think that's in 2024. Tama ba? In fairness talaga, no? Ang daming dancers this year. Oh, wow. So, that's 2 sets. Okay, ang nice. Ang nice ng production number nila. And ang ganda nung yung anong tawag doon? Like yung parang wall na nasa gilid, both sides. In fairness, hindi sila nagpatalo sa MUPH this year. They are truly proving na they're one of the oldest. And they're already established. They're part of the pop culture of the Philippines. Binibining Pilipinas 2026. Wow. Who's that girl? Sobrang puti niya. Yeah, that's... Anong number yun? In fairness talaga, no, na-happy naman ako. Maraming dancers sa Binibining Pilipinas. Kumusta kaya yung Reyna Pilipinas? Well, in fairness talaga, sobrang na-happy ako. Ang galing ng prod nila, Wow. Who's number 25? She's so pretty. Grabe yung hair niya ha. Parang commercial ng shampoo. Grabe, sobrang ang galing, ang witty nung may concept na magsusuot ng hat. Wow. Even the blocking, no, sobrang linis nila. Hindi siya magulo tingnan. Parang yung stage sobrang parang mabango. In fairness talaga. I love this year's production number of Binibining Pilipinas. Oh, wow! Wow. Ah, oh, ang nice. Ang galing. Ang galing naman nun. Oh my gosh. Ang galing ng Binibining Pilipinas this year.
And forever radiant.
In fairness, they really prepared for this year. I don't know what's the turning point para umabot sila sa ganito katagal bago nila pinakinggan yung mga suggestion or yung hinaing ng mga fans. But good thing na this time, this year, they already listened. And I think malaking part talaga no that fans are giving suggestions, fans are calling them out, or pangit ng hair ko. Sorry na, galing kasi ako sa graduation shoot. Ang messy ng hair ko. Anyway, props to Binibining Pilipinas, whoever is the choreographer nung production number na to, and whoever decides para ma-produce yung production number na to. Good job. It's really nice. It's so refreshing na makakita ng production number na pinag-isipan at pinaghandaan. Hindi ko pa napanood the rest of the competition. Hopefully tomorrow I would have time. But let me know kung meron kayong suggestion that I can review or provide commentaries. And what's your thought regarding the production number of Binibining Pilipinas this year? Let me know in the comment section.